In this video, I want to walk you through my camp kitchen box. It's the thing that I get asked the most about when I'm at an expo or out camping or even here online. I've had this box now for 4 years and it was the first thing that I built when I started car camping and overlanding. Honestly, I can't imagine doing an adventure without it. It's gone coast to coast with me and sometimes it's even doubled as a breakfast table. So let me walk you through the gear I keep inside my kitchen box. Why we like it is a channel about stuff we like. Hey, if you don't like it, that's okay, move along. But if you like it, subscribe. It all started when I found a crashed DJI drone and a Pelican case on Facebook Marketplace. I was able to get it all for $75 and I sold the drone for parts for $50. So for $25, I had a great start to my kitchen box. To add a touch of color, I changed out the latches and the handles. Pelican makes a divider kit for camera gear. It's called a Trek Pack, but I thought it'd be perfect for a kitchen box. I'll add links below to everything, but we'll start with this. It's a wood fiber cutting board. Under that, some heavy duty paper towels. Wooden spatulas work great when I'm working on a scuttle or a griddle. This compartment sometimes becomes the catch-all for things like sponges, extra utensils, and definitely a few nomadic dish towels. I'm not sure why I have so many, but this is one of 3 cutting boards in this box. Perfect for pancakes or eggs, this nonstick Jetboil Summit skillet is an 8-inch skillet and it has a spatula built right into the handle. Growing up as a child, when my family would take me camping, we used to have this cast iron thing called a mountain pie maker, or you'd know them as pudgy pies. And I found this, it's made by Snow Peak, it's called the Tramezzino, that's Italian for sandwich to eat. And you could make grilled cheeses or French toast. I'll cook up eggs in this. It's really nice and it folds up tiny and it reminds me of being a kid. I'm always on the lookout for a good deal. I found these on a clearance rack at Home Goods. This is a Stanley. It comes from their Adventure series. It's an all-in-one 2-bowl camp set with 8 pieces. So you get your cooking pot with a handle, you get a vented pot lid, 2 bowls, 2 lids for your bowls, a spatula, and a ladle. You're gonna find sometimes I have several of the same items, like spatulas and towels. You can never have enough extra towels if you need to clean up. Having light around camp always comes in handy. This is a rechargeable EcoFlow camp light, and I have several of these that I camp with, but this one clips right into the lock hole on the top of the Pelican case. When the sun goes down and you're making dinner, this comes in so handy. I carry 110 power with me in my vehicle via my EcoFlow battery system, so I also carry a little waffle maker with me, and it has an interchangeable plate if I want to make a pancake or an egg. To power my camp stove, I carry a 1-pound propane tank. This is a refillable Ignic propane tank from their tap rack system. Sometimes I may have a pour over or a French press with me for coffee, but I always have to have my Yeti mugs. And recently I've been using a lot of these Kuju coffee single-use pour over packets. I try to fill every space in the box. This is where I put my coffee grinder, and then hidden in the back is where I keep a can opener. Things that are flat and square pack good. These are from REI. And tucked away behind the camp stove is the extra virgin olive oil. I carry a Jetboil flash to boil water, and I also carry this Jetboil Genesis system. This thing is fantastic, check it out. I just love this because it's a 2-burner stove that lives inside its own 5-liter pot. And it also comes with a 10-inch ceramic coated frying pan. It has its own built-in igniters, and its control knobs are so advanced that you can get the perfect simmer. After 4 years of use, I've never had an issue. It's as easy as connecting your propane, no matter if it's a 1-pound or if it's a larger propane tank, to the gas line, and then you cook. And on the opposite side, there's even an external output, so if I want to connect another Jetboil cooktop, I can. Here's what it looks like when I use the 8-inch Summit skillet, and the Snow Peak sandwich maker can also sit perfectly on top of the burner. This is such a great item to have because after you're done cooking, and everything's cooled off, it takes less than a minute to pack it up and tuck it all back away inside its case. The lid organizer was an accessory I found on Amazon. In the upper left corner, I hold cleaning supplies. This is for washing pots and pans, dishes, and you can refill the soap bottle. It's good to have hand soap because sometimes camping can be dirty, but you don't have to be. And Lysol disinfectant wipes are always a must. I think it's fun to cook at camp, and this is my mini spice rack. It's the center pouch. This is where I keep the sriracha, the salt grinder, a pepper grinder, some fajita seasoning, and some ground cinnamon. I picked up this Ozark Trail camping kitchen set with a travel bag when I first started camping, and it's worked great. You can see I've added things like tin foil, some wax paper, another can opener, some Ziploc bags, and of course, a couple nice sharp knives. You never know what you may need, so it's nice just to have the basics handy. I do love this. A friend of mine gave me this. It's a Rocks On folding grill utensil. It's kind of like a giant Swiss Army knife, and it has a spatula, and it has this fork, and of course it has this massive knife. And what's cool is the spatula and the fork can extend. I use this a lot when I'm using a skillet top or cooking on my skillet. I don't have to be right in the heat, and I can make some great smash burgers. And I mean, come on, who doesn't like a multi-tool? This is like a go-go gadget, yes chef type of thing. Even if you don't use it, you still need it just because it's great. Here's a little advice. As you build out your box, figure out what you use and what you don't. Figure out how to pack it well. That's why I have to have this Ozark Trail Pack upside down. It needs to fit perfect. In the upper right, this is where I keep things like some tea. I have decaffeinated, caffeinated, and I also have those little drink packets that are perfect for a bottled water or if you want to fill up your water jug. It's also good to have some extra napkins. And finally, have you ever seen these? They're called base camp cards. I love this game because base camp cards, not only are they playing cards, but they are also a conversation starter game. It's 54 family-friendly and unique conversation starters. It's a way to have deeper talks, get to meet people, be interactive with others that you're camping with. But it's just a fun thing to have on hand. I hope this video has encouraged you as you build out your kitchen box, but leave a comment below. I want to know what your favorite gadget is. I want to know what's in your kitchen box. And you let me know what should be in my box. What am I missing for this coming camping season? This is stuff we like and why we like it. If you're anything like us, we know you're gonna like it too.